Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. When you are on lock screen, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, open your settings, select home and lock screen. From here select control center and disable this allow control center access on lock screen. Now when your phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your 3 fingers like this, then you won't be able to do that. But there is a separate gesture for this. Use your 3 fingers and then tap and hold on the display like this. Then you can click a screenshot. You can turn on or off your flashlight with the help of a simple gesture. Simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will shake it again, then it will turn it off. You can also change the control center style in the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select home and lock screen, select control center, and from here select modern style. Now it will set the newer one where you have to swipe from the right side to open your control center and from the left side to open your control bar. To change this, click on settings. From here you can switch the control center to the left side and your notification bar from the right side. This phone comes with an amazing feature called quick launch. You have to tap on the back of your phone twice like this, then it will open the customized app or any tool. To customize this, open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures, select quick launch and then select settings. From here you can select any of these tools, or if you want to set any app, then select open app. From here select your favorite or most usable application. For example, I'm selecting YouTube. Now whenever I will double tap on the back of my phone, then it will directly open that specific application. When it comes to customization, then Motorola takes the game to the next level. You can customize almost everything in the smartphone. Open your settings, select personalize. From here you can change the fonts of your smartphone. Here you have different options. Select your favorite style and then it will change the font. You can change the UI color of your smartphone. For example, your favorite color is green, then select green and then click on save. Then it will change the UI color. You can also change the shape of the icons. Select your favorite shape and then click on save. Then it will change the shape of the icons. You can change the fingerprint animation if you're using your fingerprint lock. Here you have 3 different options. Select your favorite one. And then whenever you will use your fingerprint lock, then it will show that specific animation style. You can also adjust the size of the text. So if you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can also adjust these. Now you can change your clock style on your lock screen and customize a lot of stuff. Tap on lock screen. From here you can change the clock style. You can also change this notification style. You can also change these quick access application from your locked screen, and that's how you can customize your locked screen as well. There's a feature called edge light. So whenever someone will call you, then it will show that specific edge lighting on the edges of your display. As it comes with curved display, then this looks really cool. You can also use it for alarms and notification as well. You can also quickly open your camera application with the help of a simple gesture. So whenever you want to open your camera, simply twist your wrist like this, then it will open your camera application. If you like to multitask, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. By default that is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, select gestures and then select sidebar. Enable this, then it will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Swipe to the left to open this, click on OK. By default it has some applications. You can also customize this. To do that, click on settings and remove unnecessary application from here. You can also add your favorite application. Now whenever you will open any application from this sidebar, it will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corners. You can drag and drop it anywhere. So whenever you need to open any application, simply swipe to the left and then select that app. If you read ebooks and articles online a lot, then the next feature is definitely for you. Open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select screen timeout. From here enable this attentive display. Now it will prevent your screen from turning off if you are looking at it. So you don't have to keep on pressing your power button or keep on tapping on the display to keep your display on. It can automatically detect your eyes from your front camera. In the same display settings, you will see an option called dark theme. You can use this one if you use your phone at night a lot. Simply enable this, it will turn on the white color into black colors. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. There's another feature if you use your phone at night a lot. In the same display settings, scroll down and then enable this night light. It will warm the color of your screen. You can see. You can also adjust the intensity, or you can also schedule this night light. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use this night light feature as well to protect your eyes. You can read deleted messages from Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings, select notification and then select notification history. Enable this. Now it will save all your notification here and you can read them even after someone will delete it. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set this as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures, select power button and then select press and hold. From here select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, then you can press your volume up button and power button at the same time to launch your power menu. In the same power button settings, you will see an option called double press. From here you can select Moto AI or camera. Now whenever you will double press your power button, then it will launch your camera application. You can use any application in floating window. To do that, open that application, put it in recent apps, click on that apps icon and then select free form. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then open your settings, scroll down and then select battery, scroll down and then select optimized charging and then enable this use optimized charging. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. This will increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you don't have much time to charge your phone fully and you quickly want to charge your phone, then in the same battery settings, you can use this charge boost feature to speed up your charging speed. But keep in mind, this may heat up your device a little bit, and if you will use this regularly, then this may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery. If you listen to music a lot, then you will love the next feature. Open your settings, select gestures and then select media control. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume up button to play the next song and volume down button to play the previous song. Let's talk about two most usable camera settings. Open your camera application and then click on the settings. The first one is capture method. Click on this and then select this tap anywhere to capture. Now whenever you want to click a picture, you don't have to press this button. You can simply tap anywhere on the display, then it will click the photograph. This is very efficient when you are trying to take a selfie in the landscape mode. So you can simply press on the display like this and it will click a picture. The second one is keep last mode. In the same camera settings, enable this. Now whenever you will close your camera application, then it will remember the last mode. I have closed my camera application in video mode. Now whenever I will open it again, then it will open in video mode. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Moto Edge 60 Fusion. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.